no, it's from creation. I told them no, it's from creation. Bam bam, hey yo.
Check. Gotta say good night to everybody. Thank you for making this a good night. I go by the name of DJ Norie, 5105 every Sunday 8 to 10. A lot of people in this building. Blessed, thank you very much. A lot of artists in this building tonight. We're gonna make a movie. We're gonna show them that we're sticking people go party and have a good time, alright? It don't matter where you come from. You in this building, so you West Indian right now, alright? Engineer, make sure every level is turned up in this building because we got a lot of big names in here. Alright? That's Tune the African sound definitely inside the building. Shout to all the DJs who shut down the building earlier. Shout to the boy Reef Crowd Control, DJ Spice, Shockwave crew, you know they did a good job, alright? We're gonna do 5 songs and then we're gonna start showtime because it's about that time. I know y'all ready and I'm ready too. Alright? Where my independent ladies at? Nah, we gotta do better than that. Where all my independent ladies at? That's how we do it. Anything y'all play a tune, we'll start the vibes. Play a song. If you love the life, you then put one thing in the air. One thing up. Sing. I love my life. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up. I love my life. Keep one thing up. One thing up. None of them. Drop. Big up. Send me up. Send me up. Move on. Yo, Joe, piss up. I want to hear y'all. I want to hear y'all. What? I love my life. Bless up. If you don't care about no hater, put one thing in the air. If you don't care about the haters, Batman. Shut up. Engineer, give me some more volume. Engineer, give me some more volume. Shut up. Joe. All my girls right now want to hear you tell them. Wow. Piss up. All the people in this building that you make money every day right now, put 5 fingers in the air. If you make money, 5 fingers in the air. 5 fingers. Keep 5 fingers up. Stay for the air. Binata. Toto. I want to see that, man. Piss up. We got any world boss fans in the building? Who's the guns contact? Put your hands up! Number 1! You might have a little bit road control. Turn up! Yo! Please up, Jonah! I want you! Please up! If you don't give a fuck about those haters, put a middle finger there! Middle finger there! Jonah! Piss out! All the ladies, tell us! Yo, Kisco, what's good? Some boy now, don't you got it? Listen, when you're making money, people are gonna hate. When you're doing good things in life, people are gonna hate. Because you look better than them, that means they're gonna hate. So we tell them haters. Tell them. If you don't care about them haters, bust some luck in the ear. With a bad mind, What's up, black in here? Change 48. Tell them what? Hey! What's up, the DJ? Hey, yo! Yo, Silver! Right on! Who comes from Brooklyn in this building? Hey, Brooklyn, hands up! Tell them! Damn, I read my car. Tell them something on me! Guess what? One thing I don't know West Virginia people. One thing I know. Tell them. Next DJ lineup right now. Start time. Make sure the little microphone is definitely loaded and ready.